Welcome to Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel podcast. Created by a California educator with more than 35 years of English language teaching experience, a love for American culture and democracy, and a passion for American road trips, this podcast helps American English learners as well as prospective visitors and immigrants a window into American language, culture, and travel destinations. Each podcast episode is dedicated to sharing lessons and insights into learning American English, understanding American culture, values, and norms, as well as virtually traveling to key destinations throughout the United States of America as a whole. Whether you wish to learn or improve your American English comprehension and communication skills, develop an understanding of the United States of America and its way of life, or become familiar with top American destinations, our weekly podcast episodes of Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel podcast will both educate, enlighten, and entertain you. In today's episode, we will cover the following two parts. 1. Speak America, Lesson 2, Asking for Directions. 2. Discover America, Alaska. We hope you'll enjoy today's episode and invite you to subscribe to receive weekly episodes from us. Don't forget to also visit our official website, americanenglish.online, for numerous educational resources to help you on your learning journey. And now, are you ready to improve your knowledge and your skills? Let's begin. And now, here's Section 1, Speak America with the lesson titled Asking for Directions. Asking for Directions. Finding your way with confidence. Part 1, Dialogue. Tourist. Excuse me, could you help me find the nearest subway station? Local. Sure. Go straight down this block, then turn left on Main Street. Tourist. Turn left on Main Street, got it. How far is it from there? Local. About 2 blocks. You'll see it on your right next to a coffee shop. Tourist. Is it easy to miss? Local. Not really, there's a big green sign. You can't miss it. Tourist. Perfect. Thank you so much for your help. Local. No problem at all. Have a great day. Part 2, Mini Guidance Article. Mini Guidance Article, Navigating American Cities. American cities are generally organized in a grid system, especially in the Midwest and Western states. Streets often run north, south, and east, west, making directions easier to follow. Phrases like head north, go 2 blocks east, or turn left at the intersection are commonly used. When asking for directions, always begin with a polite opener, "Excuse me, could you help me?" or I'm sorry to bother you, but. Americans are generally happy to help, but this politeness shows respect for their time. Most people will also use landmarks like stores, churches, or traffic lights to help you orient yourself. It's perfectly fine to ask someone to repeat directions or confirm what you heard. Phrases like, "So I turn left on Main Street, right?" Or "just to make sure, it's 2 blocks down," show that you are paying attention and want to get it right. In urban areas, smartphone maps are your best friend. However, being able to ask for directions in English is a critical survival skill, especially in areas with poor cell signal or in emergency situations. Part 3: Examples and Tips. 5 useful examples with tips. Example 1. Excuse me, is there a pharmacy near here? Tip. Starting with "excuse me" is polite and signals you need attention without being rude. Example 2. How do I get to the nearest bus stop from here? Tip. Use "from here" to anchor the question to your current location. This prevents confusion. Example 3. Can you point me in the right direction for Central Park? Tip. This is a casual, friendly way to ask. "Point me in the right direction" is a common idiom. Example 4. So I go straight for 2 blocks and then turn right, is that correct? Tip. Always repeat directions back to confirm. This prevents costly mistakes, especially in unfamiliar cities. Example 5. Is it within walking distance, or should I take a cab? Tip. This practical question helps you decide the best mode of transport and shows cultural awareness. Okay, are you ready for some American travel information? Here's Section 2, Discover America, Alaska. Chapter 2, Alaska. The Last Frontier Capital, Juneau. Scenic Highway Highlight. Seward Highway, stretching 127 miles from Anchorage to Seward through dramatic mountain passes, glacial valleys, and fjords, one of America's most awe-inspiring drives. 1. Denali National Park. About this destination. Home to North America's tallest peak, 20,310 feet, Denali is a vast wilderness of tundra, glaciers, and wildlife. It is one of Earth's truly untamed places. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Book the park bus well in advance. Only one road penetrates Denali's interior, and access is by park bus only beyond mile 15. Reservations open in December for the following summer. Book immediately as buses fill months ahead. Tip 2. Bring layers for all weather. Denali's weather can shift from sunshine to snow in hours, even in summer. Pack waterproof jackets, warm mid-layers, sun protection, and bug spray all in the same bag. Tip 3. Wildlife watch near the entrance. Even without the deep park bus, the first 15 miles offer excellent wildlife viewing. Grizzly bears, moose, Dall sheep, and wolves are frequently spotted near the road in early morning. 2. Juneau. About this destination. Alaska's capital is only accessible by sea or air, making it uniquely remote. Surrounded by mountains, glaciers, and the Inside Passage, Juneau is breathtakingly beautiful. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Walk to Mendenhall Glacier. This accessible glacier is just 12 miles from downtown. The Forest Service Visitor Center is free, and trails of varying difficulty let you get surprisingly close to the ancient blue ice. Tip 2. Take the M.T. Roberts tramway. This gondola lifts you above the tree line for panoramic views of Juneau, the Gastineau Channel, and surrounding peaks. The ride takes 6 minutes and the views last forever. Tip 3. Explore the historic district on foot. Downtown Juneau is compact and walkable. Visit the Alaska State Museum, the Red Dog Saloon, and Tlingit cultural sites, all within a pleasant morning stroll along the harbor. 3. Kenai Fjords National Park. About this destination. This stunning park near Seward protects a dramatic coastline of tidewater glaciers, wildlife-rich fjords, and the massive Harding Icefield, one of the most spectacular places in Alaska. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Book a glacier cruise. The best way to experience the park is by boat. Several companies operate day cruises from Seward that take you past calving glaciers, sea otters, orcas, humpback whales, and puffins. Book weeks ahead. Tip 2. Hike to Exit Glacier. Exit Glacier is the only road-accessible area of the park. The trail to the base is easy and stunning. The Harding Icefield Trail, 8.2 miles round trip, offers serious hikers extraordinary ice views. Tip 3. Stay in Seward the night before. Seward is the gateway town and worth exploring. Arrive a day early to adjust to Alaska time, visit the Alaska Sea Life Center, and enjoy fresh seafood before your big adventure begins. Thank you for listening to this episode of Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel Podcast. Whether you wish to learn or improve your American English comprehension and communication skills, develop an understanding of the United States of America and its way of life, or become familiar with top American destinations, our weekly podcast episodes of Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel Podcast will educate, enlighten, and entertain you. We encourage you to visit our AmericanEnglish.online website via our link in the description section below for additional articles, lessons, and weekly podcasts we offer, all available on our website and major streaming platforms. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe to receive the latest episodes on a regular basis. Thank you, and have a wonderful week ahead.